In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shift plus F10 not working when installing Windows 11. When you're setting up Windows 11, there are times you may want to open the command prompt using the Shift plus F10 shortcut. This is often used to access advanced troubleshooting commands or to work around certain setup limitations. However, on some systems, especially modern laptops and desktops, pressing Shift plus F10 does nothing at all. In this guide, I'll walk you through practical ways to get that shortcut working again, and I'll explain why it sometimes fails so you understand what's happening. First, check whether your function keys require an extra key to activate. On many laptops, the F1 to F12 keys double as media or brightness keys, and you need to hold the Fn key to use them as actual function keys. During the Windows 11 setup screen, try pressing Shift, Fn, and F10 together, instead of just Shift and F10. Hold Shift first, then tap Fn and F10. Give it a moment to see if the command prompt window appears. If that still doesn't work, try disabling function key lock, or toggling the function behavior. Some keyboards have an F lock, Fn lock, or a dedicated key that switches whether the F keys act as media keys or standard function keys. This might be a key with a small lock icon, or it might be combined with the ESC key or one of the F keys. While you are on the setup screen, press that lock key once, then try Shift plus F10 again. If your keyboard has a light for Fn lock or F lock, make sure it's in the mode where F keys work normally. Next, consider your keyboard connection. If you are using a wireless or Bluetooth keyboard, Windows Setup might not have fully initialized it yet. Whenever possible, plug in a wired USB keyboard and wait a few seconds for it to be detected. Then press Shift plus F10. Also try a different USB port, preferably a USB 2.0 port if your computer has one, because those are often more reliable during early setup. If your keyboard has a special software layer or macro keys, they won't function during setup, so stick with the standard keys only. And remember, on some devices, the manufacturer may have disabled this shortcut in the firmware, meaning it simply can't be used during installation. Once you've tried these methods, you should be able to bring up command prompt with Shift plus F10 and continue your Windows 11 installation with the tools you need.